Hello guys, welcome to Techavro channel. Hope you're doing well. In this video I'm going to show you how to use Google Map Street View. So guys, at first go to your Google Maps and then tap on the diamond icon under the hotels. And guys, as you can see here, an option is showing Street View, so tap on it. And now if you want to see Street View, then click on that place. And that's how we can see around the roads. And that's how you can use Google Map Street View very easily. So guys, I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, then please give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And thanks for watching the video.